Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect an Excel file stored in SharePoint Online to Power BI Desktop so your reports stay connected to live data. First, go to SharePoint Online and open the document library that contains your Excel file. Select the file, click Open, and then choose Open in App to launch it in the Excel desktop application. In Excel, click the File menu, go to Info, and select Copy Path. This copies the full SharePoint file URL that Power BI will use to connect to the data. Next, open Power BI Desktop. Click Get Data, choose Web, and paste the copied Excel path into the URL box. Before clicking OK, remove the "web equals 1 from the end of the link. This step is important. If you leave it in, Power BI will show an invalid URL error. Click OK, choose Organizational Account, sign in with your credentials, and then select Connect. Power BI will now access the Excel file stored in SharePoint. You can select the tables or sheets you want and start building your report. Because the file is linked to SharePoint, your Power BI data can stay updated whenever the Excel file changes. And that's it. You've successfully connected a SharePoint Excel file to Power BI Desktop. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial on building full KPI dashboards in Power BI. Thanks for watching.